Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are doing very well. So in today's video we are going to talk about the Wipro's onboarding updates. In this video basically we are going to talk about the joining related doubts of turbo candidates. Also we are going to talk about elite joining updates, and in this video we are going to talk about the complete procedure that you have to follow once you join the company, and how long can you expect your joinings, in how much time, and why the company is delaying so much. So all of these queries we are going to discuss in this video, so make sure to watch the video till complete end. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, as we regularly upload off-campus drives as well as placement preparation videos on the channel. So let's start with our today's discussion. So first of all, Wipro usually onboard candidates in batches, right? So if you think that we are not getting the joinings even though our friends have got it, so it might have happened that you both have given the assessment on the same day, and also you both have attempted your interview on the same day, but your joining is on different days. One person has got the joining earlier, whether the other candidate has got a later period of time. This is because the Wipro company, what they do is they onboard the candidates in batches, and due to this reasons you may see that the delays in joining happening. Next thing is, turbo candidates are basically divided into batches like turbo and velocity, right? And when you see that you are going to onboard in the company as a turbo candidate, but turbo also is further classified into turbo and velocity. And turbo candidates were planned to onboard in July, September and December, right? So the previous onboarding dates that were set by the company were July, September and December. Now out of that, some of the candidates have postponed their joinings. When they got the joining surveys or joining mails, they have mentioned that we are not willing to join as of now, and we need to join at a later period of time. And now they feel that they have done a mistake by postponing it. But don't be worried, if you have even postponed it, you will surely get the joining. And so the main thing is, some of the candidates whose joining was scheduled in December month, so their joining is delayed and it got cancelled in the month of December. As we have seen that in December there were no candidates who were onboarded in the company. So now when this December candidates are going to join the company, so is there any tentative date when these candidates will be joining the company? So now the December candidates will be onboarded in the month of February 2023. Okay, so this is the latest news as of now. So the candidates who had their joinings in the month of December and it got cancelled due to some reason, now they will be onboarded in the month of February. And once you join the company, then what happens after that? So now we are going to talk about that information. So once you join the company, you will be trained either online or offline depending on the scenario. So you can even get your training virtual. So till now it was happening virtual only, but seeing the current trends, all the companies are calling the employees to the office. So it might happen that you will also be called to the office when you join the company. So your training will also be offline only. So once you will have your training completed, you will have to give the assessments after your training, right? So all these candidates who has attempted your trainings of like 2 months or 1 month, now they have to go under assessments. So once you will have your assessments done, you will be considered that your training is now over. So once your training is over, you will be in a free pool. Free pool means you will not have anything to do at that point of time, and you have to again start giving the interviews in order to get allocated to the projects. Yes, so again you have to give interviews. So that interview is not like if you get rejected then you will be out of the company. It doesn't mean that. Once you join the company, you are a fresher, and companies doesn't have much experience on your experience level, right? So they need to know that which technologies you know. So suppose you know Java, right? So you will be interviewed on Java, and if they feel that yes, your knowledge is up to the mark, so they will be taking you in the project so that you can start working on the project. So suppose if there is a case that you know Python and they took you in the Java project, right? So then it will be a problem. So it might also happen that if you know Java, they might take you in the Python project because at that point of time Java project is not available. So this thing also depends on the business requirements. So moving ahead, they will be sending you joining mails around 2 weeks before. Okay, so you will be sent the joining mail 2 weeks before. So if you are going to have your joinings in the month of February, you can expect your joining mails in January. Okay, you have to fill the application and submit. Okay, so once you are getting your mail related to joining, you have to fill your application, and joining is usually given on the first come first serve basis, which means that the candidates who has filled the survey first, they will be onboarded, and yet the joining will happen in batches, right? So even if the candidates have filled the surveys, the next thing is again batches. So it is not possible for the company to onboard all the candidates on the same day, right? So the further the candidates will be divided into batches, and then they will be given the joinings. So even if you miss a batch, don't be worried, you will get the joinings in the next batch. So it might happen that you have filled the surveys related to joining, and your friends has also filled that survey, but your friend has got the joining but you didn't got. So it is because they are giving the joining in batches. So don't be worried, you will get your joining in the next batch whenever they are onboarding the next batch. Next thing is, once you have got the offer letter, you will surely get the joining. I regularly get many comments that the candidates are very much confused that whether their offers will be rejected or not. So don't be worried, once you have your offer letter in hand, it is very sure that you are definitely going to get the joining. But seeing the current trend and this recession period, it might take for the company to give the joining letters late. So this might happen that the company is taking time, so we don't know how long the company is going to take. So my suggestion is, don't be totally dependent on any one company. Instead, try to gather more offer letters, so that even if if your joining get delayed in one company, you might have your other offer in hand, right? And so that is for the same reason I regularly upload off-campus drives also for you guys. So you can check the channel also. I regularly upload off-campus drives wherein I regularly upload all the latest hirings. So currently TCS, NQT and other companies are also hiring. So keep on applying for other companies as well. Maybe you get the joining earlier in some other companies, so that it will be beneficial for you. So with this, we have discussed all the latest updates, and now related to Elite. So Elite candidates, I have already uploaded several videos related to them. So PJP mails companies has started sending the PJP mails, and even for phase 2 PJP mails will be expected in the month of January. So even if you have not got it, you can just wait a little and you will get your mails in the January, and your joinings for the phase 1 candidates are expected by the end of January and in the starting of February. Okay, so if you have any more doubts, you can ask in the comment section. You can join us on different social media platforms. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all the regular updates from the channel. Thank you and all the best.